Mong Trai or Mong Joa?
Mong Dao.
Mong Dai, okay. Mong Joa?
Oh, that's nice.
Okay, yeah. We're cool. Mong Trai and Mong Joa is cool with each other.
Mong Dao.
Mong Dao.
Mong Dai?
Yeah, same here.
Okay, I'm Mong Joa too. I'm Mong Joa, so we get along. There's no white or green.
Well,
Okay, what are you white? Are you white or green?
Yeah, Mong Dao. That's like 頭邊樣咧, we were raised with our 大黑人, so 俾係蒙咗.
Okay.
But really, 俾人蒙咗. I'm like, oh gosh, I hope my dad doesn't see this.
You're like light green. You're like
Yeah,
light
we're
green.
like a
Lime green.
Yeah.
I'm Hmong White.
Yeah, Mong Trai, Mong Joa.
Mong Dao.
Mong Dai, okay.
I'm her sister, so what she said.
Same answer.
Mong Dao. Mong Joa. Mong Dao.
Okay, nice.
Mong Joa. Mong Joa.
Mong Joa, awesome.
Yeah.
I'm green too.
俾人蒙到.
White.
I'm green. See, we could be cool with each other.
White.
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 Mong Dao. Mong Dao.
Okay.
Mong Dao. Mong Dao.
Okay, yeah, I'm green, so nice to meet you guys.
佢蒙到啊.
Mong Dai? Okay, Mong Dai. Shaman or church?
I'm shaman.
Shaman? Okay, yeah, shaman, yeah. Respect both sides too.
I go to church.
Oh, good. Oh.
Oh, nice, yeah.
Yeah, same here. I
Yeah, they chose different.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good.
Church.
Church.
I'm kind of both.
Both? Yeah, respect.
And then church, yeah.
Church, nice.
Shamanism.
Shaman. I'm a shaman too. I'm Christian.
Nice. Yeah, you guys are cool, see?
Yes.
We're cool. We could collab.
Yes, we can.
Yeah.
Shamanism.
Shamanism?
Yeah.
Shamanism or church?
Shamanism. Shaman.
Okay.
Shamanism.
Shaman.
Shamanism? Okay.
Yeah, we're shamanism.
Awesome.
Shamanism.
Shamanism? When you guys grow up, are you guys going to keep that religion?
Well, I could kind of say that, but like be more of a modern, I would say. More modern and not as, just keep the traditional, but not as traditional, be more modern to catch up with society and, how the American culture is. Yeah. I don't know yet. I'm so young.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah? Okay, that's good.
I would keep some, but not some to the keep some and not some.
Keep it all? Okay. You guys know all the get and everything too? Okay. I'll call you guys up.
Yeah.
You guys know all the ways to do everything and stuff?
Kind of.
Kind of. Just wing it.
Just the basics.
Okay, yeah. Would you guys keep that religion when you guys get older?
Yes, definitely. Yes, yeah.
Okay, yeah, that's good.
I'm not too sure. I think that's something that I could probably think about in the future instead.
It depends.
It's okay.